Hello all, welcome back. New day, new video as always. So as you see this one is from Flipkart, and the other one, this one is from Amazon. I'm just cutting this out. This is it, this one. You can see it's a red one. It's the same model, but one is from Flipkart, one is from Amazon, and two different colors. The reason was I wanted both these colors because there is no color choice on these websites. Whatever is there, they ship it. So this one was received first, the black one, but I wanted the red. It was the black and there was no color choice, so this came. So I put another order on Amazon where it was the red was available, so I got red. Two versions of the same car. Let's open this and let it come out. Guys, now you can see how it looks in actual. I'll put the boxes aside. Let's go with the second one. And this is the second one. So this is the first and this is the second. It's from Toyota. It's an Alphard. It's called an Alphard, and it's very famous model in multi-utility vehicles. Models look very nice. As I told you, I wanted this color, so I went for two orders. Anyways, I'm somewhat disappointed with the color because red is not that bright red. This is actually a very dark red. You can see a maroon red or kind of a thing. It looks like it is dark red in the photographs on the website, but it's not like that. It's a dark red. You can see there is no Toyota branding over here in any of these because it's not a licensed version. So, but it's an Alphard. It's written as minivan. Same on the rear as well, minivan. I like the cars because it's a really long car. It's a long car. It's not a small car. Yes, it is. It's a pullback. It is a pullback, has to be a pullback. Yeah, but this one, the red one is a bit slow, I think so. Yeah, the red one seems a bit slow. The black is fast. Yeah, the black is very fast. Although now I see that the finishing of the black is awesome than the red, as you see. The red is also good, but not on par with the black. I mean, its black is looking awesome. No blinking headlamps or any sound, but the doors open like this. The trunk, for which I bought this again because I needed a trunk also opening, so I got this one. Would have been better if this would have also opened. This is the sliding door, but this is not opening in this version. There is already a costlier version of this which is there, and in that this opens. Alloy design is same. Even the interior is properly done, as you see over here. The interior is done properly. There are 3 row seats, first row, second row, third row. Okay, and then there is a small luggage compartment over here. We don't have this car in India. It's a very good car, but we don't have it because it's a very costly car. We have an alternate car for this, like in India. Like it's a Kia Carnival. It's a very good car, similar to this one. See how the quality is very good, very firm. But to be honest, the black one is more appealing than the red one. I still think now the black one has more appeal than the red. So overall, happy with the purchase. I like this dicky door opening. I'm keeping it open. That's it from my side, guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button. We'll be back with more toys. 2 Alphards added in my collection. We'll be back with more videos. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.